Are you frustrated because you feel like the law of attraction is not working for you? Or you feel like it works for you sometimes, but not all the time? Well, I can definitely relate because I was once there. So hang with me because I have something that I truly believe is going to help you. So first of all, let me introduce myself. I am Rachel Clark, and I help women release their emotional baggage so they can live their best life. All right, so let's dive into the law of attraction. So you're doing all the right things. You've read the books, you're, writing your list, you're doing your affirmations, you're visualizing, you're feeling like you already have something when you don't have it yet. And you may be experiencing some wins here and there, but nothing that just seems consistent, and it seems really hit and miss. So here's what's happening. We have all this stuff that we have just crammed down inside of us over the years. The negative and limiting beliefs that we have, all the negative thoughts that we've had going through our heads, the frustration, all those things that we just keep shoving down inside of us over the years. And then what we're doing is that we are taking all this good stuff with the law of attraction, and we're trying to put that on top of all this like negative stuff. So picture it like this. Let's say you go and you get this antique piece of furniture and you bring it home and you have the perfect paint and you start putting that paint on that piece of furniture. What's going to happen? It's not going to stick very well. What you need to do is you need to take that piece of furniture, you need to sand it down, make it all smooth, and then you apply the paint. And what happens? It sticks. So that's what's going on with us. What we are learning from the law of attraction and putting into practice, it's not sticking because of all this stuff that we have shoved down inside of us. So what we need to do is we need to release that. So a mentor of mine is having a 5-day free class to teach you how to release that so you can get the law of attraction to work for you. Like I said, this is a 5-day free class that she does in a private Facebook group. She does this once a month, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop a link below for you to get registered. Now, depending on when you watch this video, it may be that the date you see is it's already the 5-day class is already going on, or you may have missed it. That is okay because she does this about once a month. It's usually toward the end of the month. So just save this video, go back, keep checking the link until you see the upcoming dates, and all you got to do is register, and then you will be sent an email with all the information that you need. This is so powerful. This is what has made a difference in my life. When I began to release all this negative baggage that I have been, shoving down for so many years, that is when I started seeing consistent results. And it's been so powerful, and I just want to help get this message out to people because I truly feel that it can be life-changing. So again, if the law of attraction is not working for you, if you are ready for it to work for you, just check the comments below. I will have the link and you can get registered. And again, this is a free 5-day class, and I'm hoping that for you, like I did, you will have so many light bulb moments and you will finally be like, this is the missing link. This is what I have needed to help me on this journey. So again, I'll drop the link below. I also will include my email address. So if you need to reach out to me for any reason, then please feel free to contact me. And I wish you the best of luck on this journey.